Hi, I'm Chuck Smith, the Sales and Marketing Manager for Radio Design Labs. We're here at the InfoComm 2026 show, and I want to show you a product that was actually introduced last year, but has actually become a buzz for all of our customers, and I think it's worth bringing this up again. This is a single-size decor unit called the D-NVC2 Dante AS67 Network Volume Control. There are only two true streaming attenuators in the world, and RDL makes them both. We make a decor version and now an EU NVC2 for European modular. What this product does is actually very simple. You actually connect a single network cable to it, and from there you can either route one or two audio channels. It's going to be mono or stereo. You route two network channels to it and two network channels from it, and it is truly an attenuator. Now, out of the box, it's stereo in, stereo out, but if you want to connect it to RDL console, you can do a little configuring with this and expand on some of the features. One is it's a full color display, so it can be many different colors, red, green, blue, gray. You can completely change the text on every panel. Now, how it works is, obviously it's a volume control, move it left or right, and you increase or decrease the volume, but the accelerator is adjustable in console. So in other words, I could turn it one full turn to go from completely off to completely on, or I could set it on a much slower ramp where maybe I have to turn the knob 3 or 4 times. Increasing and decreasing are independent. Push the button once, and I go into mute. Push the button again, and I unmute, and it restores where I left off on my volume. If I go into mute and I want to start, maybe at one point somebody turned it up too much, maybe a microphone is going into feedback, I quickly mute it. Now, if I rotate the knob, you'll see it starts at 0, not restoring to where I left off. So that's a nice little feature. Now, if I long push, which means hold it for about a second or two, I'll now access the menu. Now, in this case, I'm actually taking a stereo signal, I'm summing it to mono, and I'm outputting it to the left and right output independently. So technically I can now control 2 zones. Oh, and I did program it to restore fairly fast, but you can change the time that it holds as well. But now I could go into zone 1 or zone 2 and control their volume independently. Leave it alone for a little bit, it'll restore back to its first page. And then one of the other features, I can actually program this to fade or completely fade to black after a certain period of time. Again, completely configurable by the installer. This is just kind of a must-have for any system, and especially ideal for retrofits. Again, if you're here at the show, please stop by our booth. We'd love to show you how it works personally. Thank you.